Hello everyone, welcome back. In this lesson, we are going to talk about an issue you may occasionally encounter during PCB design. What to do when your PCB file becomes slow or starts lagging. When a PCB file becomes slow, it is usually because there are too many elements in the project, or there may be some abnormal data. In this case, we can troubleshoot the problem using the following methods. First, we can check the number of elements. On the left side of the PCB editor, open the project design pane and select Object. Here, you can see all the different types of elements in the project and their quantities, such as teardrops, emojis, checks, and so on. In my project, everything looks normal. However, sometimes if one type of element has a very large quantity, for example, thousands of items, it may cause the PCB editor to run slowly. In that case, you can click the plus icon in front of the element to expand the list, locate the objects, and try deleting some of them to see if the performance improves. Next, if the issue appears after importing or updating the PCB, it is very likely that there is an abnormal footprint in the project. You can locate the problem using an elimination method. First, delete part of the PCB content and update the PCB. If the issue still exists, continue narrowing down the range, for example, by deleting half of the remaining content. By repeating this process, you should eventually be able to locate the specific footprint or data that is causing the problem. Once you find the abnormal footprint, simply modify it or place it again, and the issue can usually be resolved. Alright, these are some common troubleshooting methods when a PCB file becomes slow. If you encounter a similar issue during your design process, you can try these steps first. See you in the next one.
$85,000 prize pool. The EasyEDA 2026 Stars competition is now open worldwide. Material costs largely reimbursed. $100 JLC coupon for every qualified completed project. Top 28 engineers get invited to JLC Factory to see production up close. No pitch decks, no fluff, just working hardware. Submit your build now.